Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your ISA to Trading 212 step by step. Once you are in your Cash ICA account here, you want to go ahead and go to this menu here, and then we can transfer ISA from another provider, press Get Started. And then here we can select a current provider, so go ahead and do that. Then here we will get two options, stocks and shares or cash value. So pick which one you want to do and then input a code. So here it gives us some information. You can check your statements, website and app, or you can call the customer support. So go ahead and put in this. And then here it will ask you to confirm your personal details. And after that, it will ask you whether you want your current tax year subscribed or the previous tax years. So go ahead and select which one you want here. Go ahead and confirm. And then it will ask you to review the documents. So go ahead and sign the document. And then submit that, and your transfer request will be submitted. So they will submit the request and they will keep you posted. You can press done. And I just got an email saying they've reviewed. And then if you get up to here, your notifications, click here. We can view all of the details regarding the transfer request. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.